I've been watching the inaugural Women's Indian Premier League over the past few weeks, and to be honest, it was quite intriguing and entertaining. The crowds at the games were just as impressive as they were for the men's IPL. Of course, West Indies captain Hayley Matthews was voted the MVP of the tournament for her overall performances with both bat and ball for the eventual champions, the Mumbai Indians. And this is where we want to go. The disappointment was that Hayley Matthews was the only West Indian in the women's IPL. Deandra Dotting was slated to play, but was mysteriously replaced at the last moment, leaving Hayley as the lone Caribbean representative. Now, if the women's IPL is going to evolve as the showpiece for women's cricket in the world, then more West Indians need to make that great. For the big former World T20 champions to have only one single player among the elite women players in the world, that is a bad sign for our women. Not for our women, but for our women cricketers. It's a bad sign.